Hey guys, welcome back. So the first thing I'm going to do is hop into my ColourPop palette and give it to me straight and choose a all over shade just as like a base and kind of as a transition. So I use the color Straight Up and it's a little bit more pigmented than I expected, but that's okay. I'm just going to put that all over my lid. Next, I'm going to take this matte cranberry shade in TMI, and I'm going to start placing that on the outer corners and the inner corners of my eyelid. And this is what creates the actual halo shape of the look. So I'm going to try to pack it on pretty heavy on the outer and the inner corners. Now I'm taking a fluffy blending brush and I'm just blending out the parts that I added the matte color into, just so it's not too harsh, but I'm also still continuing to pack on the color so it adds to the intensity of the look. Now I'm taking my ColourPop No Filter Concealer and I'm just using that to carve out my eyelids so that the lighter shimmery colors that I'll be using will stand out even more. Now I'm adding on the shimmery kind of like highlight shadow. It's called Up Front in the ColourPop palette. I'll list it down, everything down below, of course. And I really like this color. It's really reflective, really shimmery, and the camera doesn't even do it justice. It's like blindingly shimmery and reflective in person for sure. Now I'm taking this shimmery burgundy color and I'm putting that just on top of where I put the matte color, just to kind of blend it out even further and also add some more depth. It's a little darker than the matte cranberry color I put on earlier, So that makes it look even more intense, but it also adds a little bit of shimmer. Now I'm taking that same color and I'm dragging it across my lash line and my waterline as well. Next, I'm taking Actually, which is a darker matte color, and I'm adding that to the outer corners and the inner corners. Once again, this is to add more dimension to the look. Then I'm going to take that color on my lower lash line and waterline as well. Next, I'm creating a kind of like a winged eyeliner look. I'm using an e.l.f. eyeliner. I haven't done winged eyeliner in a really long time. Also, I think this eyeliner is a little old, so it's not coming out as opaque as I would like, but that's fine. Any eyeliner will do. Just try to make it look as even as possible. Now I'm going to be taking some mascara. I'm pretty sure that's a Covergirl mascara, but the exact name I'm not sure of because it's rubbed off. And I'm just coating my eyelashes to get off all that concealer and eyeshadow and all that's left on there, just to coat it black so it's nice and even. So as you can see here, I get a little bit of mascara on my nose because I'm a bit clumsy with the mascara. And then I added some false eyelashes because it takes me forever to put them on, so it's better to just put them on off camera. Then I just do a quick brow bone highlight with that same color I used for the center of my eyelids. Next, I just quickly kind of bronze and contour my face to make it look a little slimmer because I naturally have a kind of round face thanks to my chubby cheeks. Then I take my ColourPop loose highlighter and I highlight the heck out of my face because I'm obsessed with highlighter and want to glow like a disco ball. I actually put on a lot of highlighter. I had to cut out some footage because I put on so much highlighter and it was like 20 minutes worth of highlighting. I then add some of that highlighter to my eyelids, just make it pop a little bit more. The lip color that I chose was NYX's Transylvania. It's a soft matte lip cream. It looks a little patchy on camera, but it doesn't look too bad in person. This is the completed look. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. It was my first take on halo eyes. I think it looks pretty good, like a really cute vampy look. So yeah, let me know if you guys enjoyed this. I'm trying out different makeup techniques, and let me know if you like it. In the comments below, if you have any questions or comments or suggestions for videos, I'll definitely take them. Thank you for watching and see you next time.